Good morning. Yesterday we had a discussion with PLI fundamentals and introduction to PLI. Once again we will recap yesterday's session. If any missing, I can explain those things. Okay. So coming to PLI language, so there is a character set, 60 character set. Alphabetic is 26 A to Z. National, this is a three characters, hash at the rate of slash, numeric and special characters. Plus, minus, equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, like that. So numeric is so identifiers. There is a variable names, procedure name, file name, labels. So and keywords, especially proc, read, write, rewrite, locate, those kind of variables. The specific meaning is there, and we are using for something specific purpose. So that except keywords, rest of thing you can use as a data names. That is nothing but identifiers. Especially in labels, there is a two kind of labels we have. The one is external and another one is internal. Labels always we can write anywhere, but end with colon. If it is external, 1 to 8 characters. If it is internal label name, 1 to 31 characters. And comments slash star, then in between you can write anything and end with star slash. That is the comments. So program structure. So there is group together in blocks. We have two kind of blocks. One is begin blocks and another one is procedure blocks. Begin blocks means it's a set of statements we can write under begin. Begin and end. Within begin and end. So procedures we have two kinds of procedure. One is the external procedure and another one is internal procedure. Always start with external procedure. That should be procedure options within brackets main. So that means that that is a external procedure. Then in between external procedure you can write a number of internal procedures. Coming to coding format, yes, first column always it is operating system. So from second column to 72 columns we can write a PLI state. That is the reason we are called as a free format in PL1. 73 to 80 it is sequence numbers. So PLI statement labels, as I said, PL1 labels. Always it is either external or internal. Should be end with colon. And variables. Keywords are specific meaning like read, write, something. And constants also we can use like a PI values or some other things, whatever things. And delimiters, especially for labels, colon, and with each and every PLI statement and with semicolon and brackets, blanks, like that. So example, DCL A counter fixed decimal 15. Here DCL is a declaring each and every variable we need to declare as a declaration or declare or DCL. This is the variable name A counter fixed decimal. So I will explain the in data types place. And begin statement, begin semicolon it should be. Then you can write anything, then end with semicolon. So now we can discuss about more about data types because of little bit difference, and we need to know what is the defaults and what is the minimum size. If we are not mentioning anything, what is the default size and what is the maximum size? These are the important things we can discuss more about data types. Okay, first of all, data types, we have different data types. One is numeric, another one is string and bit, and last one is pointers. Okay, so these are different data types available in PLI. First we will discuss about numeric. Under numeric we have fixed decimal, fixed binary, float decimal, float binary. So I missed to write here but we have four types. So fixed decimal, fixed binary, float decimal, float binary, these four are under numeric data type. Then character type, that is a string and picture. So this is the character type, then bit and pointers. So coming to first fixed decimal. What is fixed decimal? It is equivalent COM3 in COBOL. If by default, if we are not mentioned that precision value, that means a fixed decimal 5 comma 0, 5 comma 2, like that. I mean, if you are missing 5 comma 2 or 5 comma 0, that means that by default value is 5 comma 0. Default value for fixed decimal is 5 comma 0. What is 5 comma 0 means? See, okay. Oh, what happened? My system is okay, no problem. So I can explain about this. So for fixed decimal by default is 5 comma 0. Maximum is 15 comma 0. Just note down. See, fixed decimal or decimal fixed, anything you can write. There is nothing issue. Fixed decimal 5 comma 0 is I mean by default. If you, even though if you are not mentioning, it will take 5 comma 0. Maximum is 15 comma 0. What is 5 comma 2 means? See, total number of digits is 5. 2 is decimal part. This is the meaning. 5 comma 2 means total digits 5 only. 2 is after decimal values. That is the meaning 5 comma 2. So generally we can recommend 5 comma 0 or 5 comma 2. Okay. This is the standard one. Fixed decimal 5 comma 0 is by default, and minimum value we cannot give 4 comma 0, 4 comma 2, like that. It is not good to know. So we should always recommended 5 comma 0 or 5 comma 2. That is based on your requirement. If any decimal places, you can write so fixed decimal minimum value, minimum precision is 5 comma 0, maximum 15 comma 0. Next, fixed binary. This is half word, full word. This is comp value in COBOL. Fixed binary is comp in COBOL. Minimum value is 15 comma 0, and maximum is 31. Next, float decimal. Float decimal minimum is 6. This one, float decimal 6 is the minimum. Maximum is 16. And float binary, here I am not mentioning. Minimum is 21. Maximum is 53. 53, no, 109. 109, because of 53 means 8 bytes. 109 means below or equal to 109 means 16 bytes. I will tell you how it will be internally storage. Fixed decimal, yes, we know that is n by 2 plus 1 or n plus 1 by 2, like that. Fixed binary, if it is fixed binary, that is a 15. 15 means 2 bytes. That means half word. In case 31 is maximum. 15 to 31, it is a full word. That means 4 bytes. This is how it will be stored in internally, I am telling. And coming to float binary or float decimal, sorry, float decimal. Float decimal 6 to 16. So 6 means 4 bytes. That means full word. 7 to 16, 8 bytes. 17 to 33, 16 bytes. And last one is float binary. So 21 is a minimum value. So 21 means 4 bytes it will occupy. In case of below or equal to 53, 8 bytes. If it is less than or equal to 109 means 16 bytes. This is the internal occupied space. That means bytes. I hope everybody understand. If anybody having any doubts, please let me know so that I can explain once again. Once again, I will tell you fixed decimal means comp3 in COBOL. Fixed binary means it's a comp in COBOL. Float decimal, it is a comp1. Float binary, it is a comp2. I hope everybody understanding this one. And picture class. So where we are using this picture class means generally for display, if any printing characters or printing data, we can use picture class. Moving one data, one place to another variable, picture class we are using output variables. But no computation. That is the main important. Picture class won't use any computational. Only so that numeric data we are using for a calculation purpose. Okay, bit. This is binary digits. So either one yes or no, one or zero for that. We are using our counter. We are using bit operator. So bit data type. Okay, and coming to pointers. This is also another special data type in PLI. Generally, pointers mean it stores address in memory. Am I right? So generally, we can declare the pointers in case we want to use pointers data types in our pointers in our program. We should declare the pointer and mention the size of memory. If anything, initialization, assignment of the address of two pointers. Generally, where we are using pointer data type. That is more important because of we know data type fixed decimal, fixed binary, float decimal. These are numeric applications. Picture we know. So in case of output, in case of any printing, so we are using a character type. Yes, we know, and bit also we are. But pointers it's something new to us. So that we need to know where we are using pointer data type. Passing data between called and calling program. So some modules we are calling. So that time while passing the data, so using pointers and redefining a variable. I will show the example of that one also. Don't worry. And file reading the files and something there also we are using. Something linked list while creating the linked list. Something we are using pointers. How we are declaring like data type this one. So declare uh, something employee pointer. Here one thing I missed actually. See in COBOL, if any two variables, for example, declare Ravi Kumar. This is the in COBOL. Am I right? Sorry, here not like that. 01. Something. But in PL1, declare EMP, suppose for example, underscore, that is main important, difference. See, in PLI, we can use apply data EMP underscore, not for hyphen. Please note down that one. In case of COBOL, hyphen is acceptable, but underscore is in PL1. Okay? That is very, very. So in case of pointers, how it will be, I will tell you. DCL, suppose for example, employee pointer. So employee pointer pointer, you can write PTR or POINTR, semicolon. Whenever you want to use a pointer, you should write what is the pointer name, that is the employee pointer, declare employee pointer, and you can specify this is the pointer, PTR or pointer. So this is the rule for PL1. Okay. Then assigning the pointers and expressions. So I mean, what how redefine? I mean, I told that is we can discuss later. So I hope, I mean, we are missing on defaults. Yes, I will tell you on defaults also once again, because of there is, I mean, yesterday we have just simply we are telling, I mean, little bit information, but yeah. Few people, I mean, may know or not. I am not sure. That is the base scale. So how we are, I mean, define fixed. What is fixed? What is the decimal or binary? What is float? Say here, fixed or float. That is we can call as a scale. I'm sorry, base. Sorry, I forgot. I mean, base is binary or decimal. Binary means base is 2, decimal is base is 10. So this is the base. Generally, how, I mean, syntax will be there. Declare base or scale, anything, and declare variable name, scale, base, and precision. This is the general syntax. Once again, I will tell you: declare variable name, scale, base, and of course mode also there, but mode is optional. Generally in normal programs we are always mode is real, so that we are not mentioned. But in case of scientific uh, calculation or scientific things, minus I values, this is the complex values actually. So base or scale we are mentioning. Base means either decimal or binary, scale means fixed or float. Okay. And real and complex, and real values always we know we are whatever we are using. Complex is I value, and precision is number of digits. In PL1, suppose for example fixed decimal 5 comma 2 means 5 is total digits, 2 is decimal, number of decimal digits. Here defaults. So very important things. In case of we are not mentioning anything, I mean about, I mean declaration the variables, so it the compiler will automatically it will take some default values. First we will see this one. In case of I to n, variable name start with I to n, variable name start with I to n, then automatically if you are not mentioning, suppose for example if anything, I mean start with I, j, k, l, m, n, I through n, anything, it is not I or n, I, j, k, l, m, n, so automatically it will take fixed decimal, sorry, fixed binary 15 comma 0. This is the default value. In case of other than I through n, that means that A to A, B, C, D like a H and O to Z, then automatically it will take float real, decimal float. Float decimal or float decimal float, anything, I mean any order it is acceptable. So as I told, I mean before, like I mean mode is, I mean not mandatory. So always, I mean a system by default it is taking real. In case of any complex, if you want to do something, I mean complex values, that time only complex, and a numeric. So like if you are mentioning something ink fixed binary, even though, but you are not mentioning 15 comma 0 or something, then there is a minimum values are by default values: fixed decimal 5 comma 0, fixed binary 15 comma 0, float decimal 6, float binary 21. Like that, whatever minimum value, it automatically it will be take it as a default. This is the defaults. Okay. Then whatever I missed, data types, defaults, and so we have some logical operators. Logical operators and concatenation things. Yeah, that is I think I am not mentioning. Okay, logical operators. We have logical and logical or logical not. I will show that. I will. Yeah, this is the operators and symbols we have. Something logical operators. That means that see ampersand, that is nothing but logical end operator. So logical end, I think everybody knows about that, and both cases are true. Then results will be true. If anything, false, automatically that result will be false. I think nobody expected this kind of explanation. So logical or generally anything true, automatically results will be true. Both are false only, it will be. See, logical not, this is the symbol, negate symbol. Not. See, if not A greater than B, that means that reverse A less than B. Generally, we are using very rarely, but some compilers it will accept. Greater than less than value. Like this is also. Compilers will take as a not. Okay. So this is, yesterday we are missing and concatenation double pipe symbol will be there. I think the arithmetic operation plus sum minus sum star. This is slash division. This is the exponential form power thing. Mm, Concatenation means pipe symbol. Concatenation means this is the pipe symbol. So if you're writing, two pipes, that means that it's a concatenation to strings. Like for example, if you write a Ravi, concatenate Kumar, then results will be Ravi Kumar. Sorry, no space here. If you want space, then you can write one more. Some blank space, comma. Yeah, space like that. You can give. Then automatically that value will be Yes. So this is the concatenation symbol. So you can use number of, but this is not, suggestible for more strings. At that time we have a built-in function that is a string function. We can use that substring so that if it is one or two strings, three, four, like that, limited strings, we can concatenate using pipe symbol. Otherwise, we can use string of whatever, structure or anything. We can, use that built-in function. So, coming to declared statements. So yesterday I explained, different declared statements. Done. Yeah. So declare variable char of n. So yes, we know a character type data. So that maximum length is 32767 in any language. Generally character type means this is the things. So generally why we are not, prefer always char means it is the standard length. If you are using char of 10, automatically 10 is occupied and specified for this, for example, this city variable name, even though if you are not using total 10 characters length, that will be wasted. So for that reason, we are using varying option after declaration. Declare EMP address char of 50 because of dynamic, different. So sometimes employee address is 20 characters, sometimes 30 characters, sometimes one character. So that time it will be eliminate whatever unused specified length. So it always using varying option. There is a different options we have. So this is nothing but attributes. Actually we call it as attributes, varying attributes. So in character n bytes it will be occupied, but character varying 2 plus n bytes, because 2 bytes is uh, reserved, but a number of length value will be stored in the registers that are 2 bytes, that is occupied for 2 bytes. That register having number of characters if you are using, so that a compiler will understand, okay, number of characters mean 10 characters they are using, rest of things they release that space. Pointers is done. Okay, we will talk about time later. So declare statements, yes, as I shown that one, this is one way. Declare where 1, where 2, where 3, char 10, or where 1, char 10, semicolon, if you are, or comma, if you want to, where 2, char 5, comma, character fixed bin 50. Like this side, so we can declare variables. So that is the declaration part. Coming to string attributes, I will explain today what is varying, what is defined, what is position, what is initial, what is the like, and some more things also there. I will explain in programming once we enter into the little bit inside. Okay, already we have seen varying option here. So already we discussed about the varying option. This option when we are using variable length. So what is the usage of So what is unused bytes, it will be released. But extra 2 bytes, it will be occupied for storing that number of characters length. It will be stored, and that is the reason it will always take 2 bytes extra. That is only one important thing. And coming to define or def, anything we can use, like, see where we are using and what is the equivalent in COBOL. See, this is equivalent redefine the storage allocation. So how we are using in COBOL, same thing here also we are using, but instead of redefine, we can write def or define. You can write, like, suppose one variable length is, I can write a syntax also, and don't worry, I will show the programs also. That time you can understand. DCL, employee name, care of 50. DCL, MP address or employee address, care of 5, define EMP name. This is the syntax. Okay, so this is the new variable name. What is the length if you want? So only 5 characters. You can write define employee now, and you can write BCL EMP pin code char 8 define EMP name. But how you can see, like a 5 characters and 8 character. That means that it will start next, sixth column or from the first. Everybody, so here one more thing is position, wherever you want. Suppose here you can write POS position, or position you can write here. Shortcuts also there. POS also it will take position from the 6 semicolon. This is nothing but position. So this is defined. This is the redefine of the employee name. If you want to mention the position where you want to start, so you can write this one, position 6 or position 10, wherever you want you can write. Then initial INIT, you can write 9 sorry 524201. Okay, then like means renames in COBOL. Declare EMP support or whatever things. So that is, just. So generally, renames here, structure reformatting. So suppose example, employee address, care of 50, employee name care of 10, employee number care of 8, employee something status care of 19 minutes, so 30. How about this one? This is one structure. So if you want to this one, EMP address to care of 50 or whatever maybe, then like EMP. So this is the syntax of like. Okay. So these are the important attributes, string attributes, because of these are all are I mean string operations. Okay. Varying means to eliminate unused bytes where we are using I mean character type data, and define, this is I mean equivalent to redefine in COBOL. So position where you especially in defined variables. So we can I mean use this position, and initial it's a value class in COBOL, and like it's a rename in COBOL. Okay. That's all today. I mean I have I mean some call already. I mean and they mentioned. Okay, hi Anna. Okay. Okay, already it is I mean a little bit important call. So I'm going to stop today. If any doubts, I mean, I have another 5 minutes time. Please let me know so that I can clear this. Even though you can, I mean, chat directly. Also, there is nothing issue. I mean, you can, I mean, mention any doubts. Raise a hand so that I can clear those whatever I mean
What
doubts.
is tomorrow's timing?
Hey, 7 o'clock here because I mean, actually 10 o'clock I have offshore meeting that is mandatory to me. Please understand, and please, I mean, join 7 o'clock because of it to me. Venkat, don't forget here. Actually, since I mean, half an hour I wait for I mean this call because I can't get. Okay,
Can I have the recording of this?
sorry, Shankar.
Yeah, can I have the recording that one? Yesterday I was unable to join that one.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay.
recording. I mean, you can contact I mean Venkat. So yeah, that is the reason today I just I mean once again I mean I recall all the information which is I
Yeah,
mean
thank you.
fundamentals in PLI. Yeah, yeah. See, even though I will I mean give you all material, no need to worry. Once I mean you can go through that
Yeah,
material also after this training.
yeah, thank you.
You can I mean touch with any time. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.